EGE Fitness, the journey of strength and determination. In a small town where fitness was never a priority, a young man named Ethan Greenwell decided to change the narrative. Ethan had always been passionate about health and fitness, but growing up in a community where people neglected their well-being, he saw an opportunity to make a difference. With nothing but a dream and determination, he founded EGE Fitness, a brand that would inspire people to transform their lives. The beginning of a dream. Ethan was not born into wealth, nor did he have access to high-end gyms. He started his fitness journey in his backyard, using homemade weights and running through the countryside. His philosophy was simple. Fitness should be for everyone, no matter where they start. At first, Ethan trained alone, pushing his limits every day. But soon, his dedication caught the attention of others. Friends and neighbors started joining him, intrigued by his energy and commitment. Seeing the growing interest, Ethan knew it was time to take his passion to the next level. Building EGE Fitness. With a small amount of savings and a big vision, Ethan launched EGE Fitness, a community-driven fitness movement. He started offering free outdoor workout sessions, teaching people how to stay fit without expensive gym memberships. His innovative approach quickly gained traction, and soon, social media was buzzing with his workouts, transformations, and motivational messages. To make fitness more accessible, Ethan designed home workout programs, personalized diet plans, and affordable training gear under the EGE Fitness brand. His motto was clear: empower, grow, excel, EGE, because fitness is not just about the body, but about evolving as a person. Overcoming challenges. The journey was not easy. Many doubted his ability to turn a small community workout program into a global brand. There were financial struggles, criticism from skeptics, and times when Ethan felt like giving up. But every obstacle only fueled his determination. He used social media to share real-life fitness stories, educate people on healthy living, and motivate those who felt discouraged. His authenticity attracted thousands of followers, turning EGE Fitness into more than just a brand. It became a movement. The transformation years passed, and EGE Fitness grew beyond expectations. From online coaching programs to fitness apparel and equipment, Ethan's dream had become a reality. His once small-town initiative expanded to cities worldwide, inspiring millions to take control of their health. But for Ethan, success was not about money or fame. It was about the single mother who regained her confidence, the overweight teenager who finally felt accepted, and the elderly man who found strength he never thought he had. These transformations were the true victories of EGE Fitness. The legacy continues today. EGE Fitness is more than just a brand. It's a way of life. Ethan continues to push boundaries, launching new programs, collaborating with top trainers, and reminding the world that fitness is for everyone. His journey proves that with passion, perseverance, and the right mindset, anyone can turn their dreams into reality. Because at EGE Fitness, it's not just about working out. It's about working on yourself.